You might have heard the saying that money doesn't buy happiness. It's a statement often uttered by those with wealth, and it's not entirely wrong. But let's delve deeper into this topic. Welcome to the Elite Economizer, where we believe that money isn't everything, but not having it can be a major source of stress and frustration. Kanye West once said, "Having money's not everything, not having it is." While we might not always take financial advice from rappers, Kanye has a point. When you're financially strained, every problem seems to revolve around money. How much does that cost? Can you lend me $20? Money becomes the lens through which we view the world. But let's face it, being rich won't solve every problem in your life. However, building a financial safety net is a worthy pursuit. When you achieve financial freedom, you won't make decisions solely based on money. You won't accept a job just because it pays more, and you won't scrutinize every grocery bill. You might even treat yourself to an Uber Black ride to the airport from time to time. Imagine reaching a point where money no longer dominates your life and your relationships. The road to this financial utopia is straightforward but requires patience and commitment. So, let's get started. Step 1. Create an emergency fund. The first step on your journey to financial freedom is to establish an emergency fund. Save at least $1,000 and put it into an account that you'll only tap into during dire circumstances. Imagine it as a financial fire extinguisher, breakable only in emergencies. Emergencies aren't buying beer or funding vacations. It's about essentials. When your car breaks down or your water heater gives up, that's when you turn to your emergency fund. It provides peace of mind and the first taste of financial freedom. You're no longer living paycheck to paycheck. Step 2. Pay off debt. Did you know that approximately 80% of American adults carry some form of debt? It's become the norm, but it doesn't have to be. Debt can be a suffocating burden, restricting your financial freedom. So let's tackle it head on. Instead of worrying about daily lattes, focus on paying off your high-interest debts early. Not only will this free up your monthly income, but it will also save you thousands in interest. Imagine paying off your student loans sooner and having extra cash to invest in your future. Step 3. Create a runway. Now picture having 6 to 12 months worth of living expenses comfortably stashed in your bank account. It's like having a financial safety net that guarantees stability in case of unexpected setbacks. Start by listing all your monthly expenses, from rent to phone bills. Multiply this by 6 or 12, depending on your risk tolerance and financial goals. This becomes your baseline for financial security. With this runway, you'll have the freedom to navigate life's uncertainties. Step 4. Start a retirement fund. Retirement may seem distant, but it's a financial milestone that requires planning. Saving for retirement is often neglected, but it's a crucial step towards financial freedom. Compound interest is your ally here. Imagine investing just $10,000 at age 20. By the time you're 70, you have over $1 million in the bank. That's the power of compound interest. Start a retirement fund today and secure your financial future. To succeed on this financial journey, you need knowledge. Reading books like Dave Ramsey's Total Money Makeover or Ramit Sethi's I Will Teach You to Be Rich can be game changers. Continuously educate yourself on personal finance, listen to podcasts, and stay informed about financial trends. As you grow, your financial priorities may shift, so staying informed is essential. As you progress towards financial freedom, consider prudent investment strategies. Diversify your portfolio to mitigate risks, explore stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Research the market and make informed choices. Consult a financial advisor if needed. Investing can be a key driver of long-term wealth. So use the internet. There is so many resources out here for beginners who are seeking to learn. Financial freedom also comes from mastering the art of budgeting. Create a realistic budget that tracks your income and expenses. Allocate funds for savings, investments, and discretionary spending. Stick to your budget and make adjustments as needed. Discipline in managing your finances is a crucial step towards your goals. As your income increases, avoid the trap of lifestyle inflation. Many people start spending more as they earn more, leading to perpetual financial stress. Instead, consider allocating any additional income towards savings and investments. This approach accelerates your journey to financial freedom. Passive income sources can significantly boost your financial security. Explore opportunities like real estate investments, dividend-paying stocks, or creating digital products. Passive income provides financial stability and reduces reliance on your primary job. Once you've established your initial emergency fund, don't stop there. Aim to gradually increase it to cover larger expenses. Having a substantial emergency fund provides peace of mind during challenging times. It's a pillar of financial resilience. Understand that financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. It requires ongoing effort, adaptation, and continuous learning. Stay motivated by setting achievable milestones. Celebrate your financial victories, whether it's paying off a credit card or reaching a savings goal. Financial freedom can positively impact your relationships. Reduced financial stress can lead to healthier relationships with your partner, family, and friends. Collaborate with your loved ones on financial goals and build a supportive network. Join financial forums, groups, or clubs to connect with like-minded individuals. Sharing experiences, challenges, and success stories can be inspiring and help you stay focused on your financial journey. Remember that financial freedom isn't solely about money. It's about gaining control over your life, pursuing your passions, and achieving personal fulfillment. Imagine having the resources and time to explore your interests and make a positive impact on the world. In closing, financial freedom is within your reach. By following these steps, you can take control of your finances and transform your life. Remember that it's a gradual process and setbacks may occur. Stay committed, keep learning, and adapt to changing circumstances. Before we end, don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to The Elite Economizer for more valuable content on personal finance, lifestyle, and self-improvement. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards financial freedom. Your support means the world to us. Together, we'll navigate the path to financial independence and create a brighter future.